In order to gain information from the outside world, people must rely on sensory organs. In the study of nature laws and production activities, human sensory organs are far from enough. In order to adapt to these situations, the sensors are required. Today we come to Shenzhen Bao'an to visit a company that produces sensors. Let's go. Hello guys, this is Andy.
Hi, I'm Nila.
Today Lina will take us to show the production line.
I think I will give you the short introduction of our factory. And we have 6 production lines. And next, I think we could go to the long dust production lines to see some workers to how to install the photoelectric sensors.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay. You can see we have more than 20 workers in this working line. But for the smart sensors, we have 7 steps for the production lines.
Yeah.
In these sensors, yeah.
Which step is the much more important on the quality control?
Yeah, as you know, the much more important is for the testing. Actually, the testing work includes about function testing and also the appearance testing. Except the smart sensors production, and we have the photoelectric sensors and also the inductive sensors. As you know, we have 4 production lines. One kind is for positioning, one kind is for measurement, one kind is for safety avoidance.
Safety avoid.
Yeah. And one kind is for deep learning.
Okay.
The most wholesale items is for the photoelectric sensors.
Lina, can you tell me the mass production capacity of this here?
Yeah, of course. In our factory, as you know, we have 6 working lines, but we have more than 6,000 square millimeters. Production capacity, the max number is about 1 million, 1 month. Yeah.
1 month.
Yeah, 1 month. You can see this full sensor is without any logo. And if we want to make the logo, we could put the product inside the mold. So the laser could make the logo printing. Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah.
See that?
You can see the laser could scan the appearance and also to make the logo. Outside of that, you can see it. Yeah. Later, I will show you one sample. Okay?
Okay.
This is finished products with the laser printing. Yeah. 总共整个工厂有6条产线，这样子，整个这个产线。
Lina, I can see here is finished products inspection area.
Yeah, this is the necessary parts in our finished production steps. As you know, and this is for the inspection step. Generally speaking, we have 3 kinds of inspections. One kind is for the function, one kind is for appearance, and one kind is the most important is to check the data, whether it is the same as the research and development specifications.
Is that your
it's our light curtains.
light curtain?
Yeah, this is used for the safety applications. Yeah. So when some device requires for much more safety requirement. Our light curtains can protect the persons, avoid them to be dangerous. Yeah.
Protect the worker on the workshop.
Yeah.
Wow. This area can show your production.
Yes, of course. We could have a look. The safety application.
Oh.
Light curtains, yes.
Yeah, I see that just now.
Yeah. This is only also for the safety avoidance of obstacle items. LiDAR. Yeah, LiDAR scanner. Yeah.
Okay.
And you can see many products inside the platform. This is for photoelectric sensors. This is for background suppressions. Yeah. When it's working and if the obstacle come here, and this kind of product will have the voice to alarm. Yeah.
Okay. And what's that?
This is for the deep learning items. This item is much more, how to say, much more different from other sensors because it will be working in a system. So except the device, we must have the platform to make it move. Yeah.